In this video, I'll show you how to get mods in the new update Gorilla Tag. Step 1. Try the official legal mods. Open Gorilla Tag, go to the computer menu, look for the beta/gadgets or legal modes option. Enter any beta code if prompted, then restart the game to unlock the gadgets tab. Step 2. For PCV or mods, use Monkey Mod Manager. Download and launch it. Point it for your Gorilla Tag install folder. Steam, then Steam Apps, then Common, then Gorilla Tag. Then pick the mods you want. Then click Install or Update, then launch the game. Step 3. Advanced or Manual Install. Drop BepInEx into the Gorilla Tag folder. Run the game once. Add Utila to BepInEx or plugins. Then put .dll mod files into the plugins folder and relaunch. Just for a reminder, only use mods in private lobbies. Back up your game files and don't join public matches with gameplay mods or your risk bans.